YouTube, this is your boy Shape is back with another video of most beautiful transformation for beard. In this video you will find some greatest haircut transformation with your beard. If you are looking for some latest beard trimming ideas, I think you are in the right place because we have compiled lots of beard transformation right here. So don't skip this video, watch this video till and enjoy. It's not all about the beard because it's a complete package for you. In this transformation compilation, we have also a haircut with beard, and this is gonna be a best combination for you if you are looking for some right haircut your beard shape idea. I think this compilation will work for you.
To fix it. I trim the front edges to get the hair to lay down smoothly. I hit the vertical bars to frame his line up, and here's what we have to work with. So I start my line in the middle, and I carry it out to the right to where it meets that vertical bar, making sure that I don't push too deep into his right corner. Then I come back to the middle to go to the left side to make sure that I watch out for the light spot in his left corner, making sure both sides match. After adding some enhancement, I lean him back to make sure that I get the details with my razor. And here's the final product. If you're in the Memphis, Tennessee area and you're looking for this service, tap the link in my bio.
If you have a messy beard and you are looking for some best and trendiest beard shape idea, I think this video is exactly uploaded for you because in this video we have gathered stubble to short, short to medium, and medium to long beard idea. If you have overgrowth beard and you have messy beard and you are looking for some new beard idea, I think this video.
Do you have a beard and your barber won't leave the line high enough, pushing your line down way too low?
Stop it. Get some help.
Solve it by evening out the stash, underlining the bottom of the beard to get it nice and sharp. Then I apply shaving gel and steam to open up the pores and get that razor to glide smoothly. Then I stretch the skin to get a sharp line on the top of the mustache. Then starting at the top of the sideburn, I pull the skin tight and give that beard a nice curve until it meets the corner of his mustache. Then I use my trimmer to get those flyaway hairs at the bottom of the beard, and here's the finished product.
Hey, that's pretty good.
If you're in the Memphis, Tennessee area and you're looking for somebody to get your beard right, come see your boy Finesse. Link is in the bio.
Basically, we have tried to cover all type of and all a range of beard style in just one video. Like if you are looking for some short beard, if you are looking for some faded beard, medium beard, long beard, what type of beard you are searching, we have tried to cover in this whole compilation. So don't skip this video, watch this video till and I hope you will get the right beard idea for you.
So my client's last barber pushed him back, giving him light spots in his corners.
He
fixed it by shampooing his hair, applying some shave cream and steam to get the hair to lay down, hairspray to lock everything in place. We start our hairline by tapping the vertical bar, setting everything up to make it nice and even. Starting at the bottom of the box, I tap and drag with the corner of my trimmer to create that perfect C-cup shape. And then I start in the middle at the highest point of his hairline, and taking that line to the right corner, meeting the vertical bar. Then I go from middle to left, I dig into that light corner. I lean it back to get the finishing details of my razor. Added light enhancement to make the hairline pop. If you're in the Memphis, Tennessee area and you need this service, tap the link in my bio today.
This is gonna be a most beautiful beards transformation video ever on the internet, and I can guarantee you will never ever find some beard transformation like this. The way these barbers are trimming their beards are really satisfying, and it's really relaxing to watch that type of transformation. I love that, to watch that type of transformation, because these barbers are not barbers, they are magicians.
So I line up the vertical bars so I can get a good reference point for my front line. Then I start in the middle and take the line to the
Just
lighter
can't
side,
change your
making
line
sure that I
in
keep this
30
line out as
minutes.
far as possible.
And
Then I come back to
this
my
is
right side,
impossible.
making
This
sure that
is
it
not
matches the
possible
left.
in
I have to
30
make small
minutes.
sacrifices to give them a balanced line. I leave them back at the end of the clip to get the small
they
details.
are the game
And here's this
changer.
natural line,
They are
but I
basically
add
game
enhancements to
changer.
make the haircut pop. If you're in the Memphis, Tennessee area and you have a similar issue, tap the link in my bio
Because
so we
these
can get you right.
barbers just make us to go anywhere. They will give us a confidence. They will give us the great haircut. And all of these transformation was incredible. Anyways guys, that was the last beard idea, and I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispiest beard and haircut transformation. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and post notification to get updated for every upload. Guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, turn on the post notification to get updated for every new upload.